5 Niche marketing benefits for beginners. Every business has a target audience, and within the target audience is a smaller subgroup of people that share specific characteristics and who have particular needs, wants, and preferences. These niches are a rich source of marketing opportunities for every business owner. While niche marketing isn't for every business, those businesses that have the chance to cater a niche market can gain many valuable benefits. 1. Enhanced customer relationships. Niche marketing targets a specific type of customer, so depending on what you're selling, your market could be small. A small customer base has its benefits. When you engage with fewer people, you can focus more on the quality of those interactions and on nurturing those relationships. 2. Reduced competition. Marketing a highly specific product or service means you will have less competition with the same offering. The more particular your product or service, the fewer companies that you will have to compete with for customers, and the more difficult it will be for them to copy your strategies. 3. Increased visibility. Increased visibility not only leads to a higher number of customers but can also improve your online presence. Businesses with a unique product or service tend to stand out from the crowd and often are featured on media outlets like the newspaper or radio stations. 4. Word-of-mouth advertising. Another great benefit of niche marketing is that it is incredibly word-of-mouth friendly. You have more opportunities to get the word out about your business because people in specific niches tend to be in frequent contact with others in the niche. The better you serve your niche customers, the more likely they are to recommend them to their friends and family. 5. Honed expertise. Niche marketing requires you fine-tune your expertise in a shorter amount of time. It enables you to become an expert or thought leader in your industry quickly. For your customers, your knowledge is more important than your company size or brand name. When you become an expert at something, you can gain more trust from your customers as well as gain more brand recognition. People may become aware of your business just because of the specialty product or service you provide. Whether your business serves only your niche or is among other audiences, the purpose is the same. You are striving to find a small pond where you can be the big fish. If you try to compete at everything, you're not going to win at anything. Picking one area to concentrate on allows you to focus your efforts and stand out in your industry. Click the link below this video to claim your 3 free pre-made niche websites. Thank you and have a great day.